Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bitget account. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video. Open Bitget. After opening Bitget, we have to tap on this icon on the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile. Once you tap on our profile, click on security, and over here we have to tap on Google Authenticator. So if you haven't downloaded Google Authenticator yet, then download Google Authenticator from App Store and Play Store. After downloading it, we have to tap on next. Now we have to copy this code. After copying this code, we have to open Google Authenticator. Now over here we have to tap on this plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on enter a setup key. Once we do that, you can enter your code name. So here I will write Bitget. After that we have to tap on your key and paste that code which we copied from Bitget. After pasting the key, tap on add and our Google Authenticator code is here. So we have to copy this code. After copying the code, simply paste it over here. Now tap on next. Now for the verification, an email with the verification code is sent to our email and a verification code on our mobile number too. After writing both of the codes, we have successfully set up our Google Authenticator on Bitget account, and this is how you add Google Authenticator on Bitget. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.